it has been transforming. In one word, it has been transforming. Um, it's uh, it's very great how everything is flowing because everything is so well thought. It's amazing teachers. It's amazing knowledge that we are achieving here. So I feel my heart opening in consciousness, and I have found many things that I had inside of me that I didn't knew that came up, and I was able to work together with these amazing people that are here. Because what I feel, what's happening, everybody's here working themselves. So we are mirrors of each other. We are helping each other, working each other, growing together. So it has been very transforming because I'm also really finding the divine value of being a man on this earth, the divine value of taking care of a woman, of be receive the love and give love, masculine, feminine, and the divine sexuality that we find in all nature. And I'm also finding because sex is just the top of the iceberg. Tantra teaches much more how big this feeling can be of really melting in divine love. So I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful at this moment. And more to continue.
Obrigada.
Obrigado!
Gratidão.